In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account. Before we start, it's important to understand one key thing. Your Microsoft Teams account is tied to your Microsoft account as a whole. That means you can't delete Teams by itself. When you close your Microsoft account, you're affecting all connected services like Outlook, OneDrive, and other Microsoft apps. So only proceed if you're sure you no longer need this account or any data linked to it. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small picture if you've uploaded one. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you away from Teams and into the main Microsoft account website, where all your account settings and personal information are managed. If you're asked to sign in again, use the same details you use for Teams. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, look for the Your Info tab at the top of the site. This is where Microsoft keeps your basic profile details, like your name, profile picture, and some of the core account controls. Click on Your Info to open that section. On the Your Info page, scroll down until you find the option that says Close Account. This link is usually described as a way to permanently close your Microsoft account, not just Teams, and that's exactly what we're doing here. Click on Close Account to continue. You'll now be taken to a Microsoft support and confirmation page that explains what it means to close your account. Take a moment to read the information shown, because it may list services and data that will be affected. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button or link that again says Close Account and click it. From here, Microsoft may ask you to confirm your identity, review a checklist, or acknowledge that you understand what closing your account involves. Follow the prompts